everyone, welcome back to my crafty channel. Serena B here, and today I have an impromptu tutorial. I decided to make a pocket, like a flat mail pocket. I just decided to turn on the camera and film and make a tutorial, so I hope you guys enjoy watching. I'm going to do another real-time talking tutorial because I'm really enjoying those. So I have this scrap piece of paper from a project I made, and it's 6 by 12, and I absolutely love this sheet. This is from the Merry Days collection. It's my favorite Christmas collection this year. Totally obsessed with it, so I'm really excited to work with this, and I decided to use the whole sheet. So basically my idea is to just like fold it in half and then fold this part over. This is 6 by 12, so by folding it I'm making a 6 by 6 pocket. Okay. And you just, yeah, why not? Let's see where this goes. Okay, that works. Okay, I just wanted a cute little effect because I am using double-sided paper and it would be a waste to cover this up, right? So that's why I wanted to do like a little foldy bit. So let's apply some adhesive to glue this down. I'm going to be using the Tombow Mono Multi liquid glue. Okay. Way too much. Fold it over. Okay. Take a scrap of paper. Press down. When using this glue, and if you get glue on the outside, a trick I like to do is to use an eraser to erase that glue off. So I'm just gonna trim it a little because I don't know if you can see there's like an overhang and there's glue there, and I'm not about that, so I'm just gonna cut it off a little bit, and I'm using my new Tim Holtz paper trimmer. So there's my cute little pocket. Really fun, lot of space, really roomy. So I'm just gonna put it aside to dry a little bit and look through some of my stash and the collection to see what I want to use. Okay, we got stickers, puffy stickers, we got chipboard, we got some die cuts and scraps that I pulled. We got some papers that I might want to cut and make a strip of Santas. So we got some stuff to work with, okay? But before I do that, I decided to do something I haven't done in years. I'm going to round the corners. I think that would look really, really cute. So here we go, yay! Oh my gosh, I haven't done this in forever. I used to round the corners on everything back in the day. Okay. That just adds like a more of a finished look, I think, to this pocket. So I really like that. Okay. I think that it looks so cute. Okay, so now now it's the fun part. Let's play around, see what we can do here. Alright, I've come to a decision. I'm going to be using these elements with the chipboard Santa. So let me start figuring this out. Okay. Oh yeah, and I'm going to use some washi. So this is for Michael's. I got it last year. So I don't know if I should put the ribbon on the top or tucked under. I'm not quite sure. So let's visualize this, okay? I think I'll put it under. So let me go ahead and glue this down first. I'm going to use my extreme adhesive. It broke, so I have to kind of do it manually like this. Pressing it down, making sure it has a good hold for when I lift the plastic up. I'm not using liquid glue because this is so open, there's a lot of open spaces, it can seep through, so I'd rather go with this adhesive. About here looks right. and I'm just using some tombow adhesive that I have in my stash. I'll make sure to link all the products down below in the description box if you guys are interested in what I'm using. So I'm gonna go with this direction because I like this floral bit here and I don't want it to be covered up. Okay, perfect. So before I put this piece of paper, I want to use this ho 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 washi since I'm gonna be using the Santa. So I'm just going to randomly cut a piece. I'm not gonna cut a whole strip because it's gonna be covered by cardstock, but just enough to peek through on both ends. Okay. So you can save some washi this way. Let's just see what the reindeers look like. I think I'm gonna go with the reindeer just because it's Santa and Santa's reindeer, so I'm gonna go with that. This one is actually from Hobby Lobby that I picked up last year, but I think it's still available this year. I'm so glad that I did pick them up when I was there last year. Okay, so again, the same thing. I just cut a little bit on both sides. I mean, I just save a little bit. It's not really a big deal, but it's fun this way. Okay, so let me glue this down. Okay, put this a little lower. Committing, done. Santa's gonna go here, but that's a little too plain, so I'm gonna find something to back him up on, maybe a die cut or something. I'm gonna put him down. I'm gonna commit. Okay, and then maybe do like a cluster of presents off to the side here. There's like the corner and then the washi. When I do layering, I like to kind of hide that a little, so I'm gonna put maybe like a couple of presents like that, and then use some of the puffy stickers from the collection to kind of add to it. We'll see how this looks. We'll see how this goes. Okay, and then I have these gold puffy stickers from the collection as well that I kind of want to use, like these snowflakes. So I think that will look really nice up here. I don't know if it gets lost though with the background. Do one of these bigger thingamajigs up here, and then this snowflake can like tuck down here to keep up with the gold, you know, that I got going on. And then that kind of looks nice. I think I like that. And then I can use Joy or something. Kind of like that a little bit more than having it here. Okay, let's adhere this down first. I ran out of my other glue, so I'm going to use this one. This is dot adhesive from Tombow. It's my favorite adhesive. One of my favorites, I should say. Okay. I like that. I think I'm gonna keep it this way. Okay, so now I want some kind of sentiment here, so maybe I should go with ho ho ho. I think I'm gonna keep it this way. It looks a little busy, but it kind of works. Fix the placement a little bit because I don't like it all the way up there. Okay, perfect. Fix this one a little bit. Again, I have the whole principle of 3 going on. 1, 2, 3 creates a triangle visual look for your eyes to follow. So I like that. I like doing that a lot in my projects. We're almost done. Now I'm going to add some blingy gems. Okay, so I settled on the jummies and the bling and everything. So this is what it looks like. I removed the ho 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 because I found this ephemera piece and it says it's a wonderful life, and I think it looks better. Just it contrasts better with the background and the white, and it's just, for me, it just looks a lot better. So I'm going to use that instead. So I need to tuck it under the Santa, but he's like pretty stuck on there. So let me see if I can lift him up a little bit. Just put some adhesive let's do some surgery. So lift him up and then tuck it under. Oh, it worked. That was easy. Okay, now do I want it placed here? A little bit lower. Just tucking it under a little bit. That looks good. Okay, I'm committing. Yeah. Okay, perfect. So I think I'm pretty much done with decorating the pocket. I'm not quite sure who this is going to just yet, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to just fill up the pocket with some Happy Mail goodies just to give you guys an idea. So again, this is a 6x6 pocket. So before I stuff the pocket, I'm going to use my powder tool from EK Success because the sticker hangs over the pocket a little bit. I don't want it to stick to the goodies, so I'm just applying some of this powder. That just helps remove the stickiness so it doesn't stick to any of the goodies I include. So let's start filling the pocket. I like to have things sticking out of the pocket, so I took everything out of the packaging just because I didn't like the branding strips and everything didn't really match. So I took all the stickers out, and again, these are just an examples of like things you can include. I got all of this at my local dollar store. So just as an example of like different things you can include. I try to keep it all red and green, but let me see if a candy cane fits in there. So the candy cane doesn't match, but for the purpose of this video, let's just see if it fits. Oh, okay, perfect. So candy canes do fit in here. So yeah, that would be really cute too, a little candy cane hanging from the sides. This is what your finished pocket would look like if you have everything stuffed inside. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to check the description box for more videos and for links to the products that I'm using in case you're interested and want to pick some up for yourself. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!